Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the water filter in your LG refrigerator. Removing and replacing your filter is a very easy process and does not require any special tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling your water filter is, of course, over time through normal use, it's going to reach its capacity of what it can filter out of your water, so it's going to need to be replaced. So to do that, you're just going to want to open up the doors of your refrigerator, reach inside to where your filter is located, take hold of it, and turn it counterclockwise. And you'll feel it start to release, and then just pull your filter straight out. To install your filter, you're simply going to want to bring your filter into position, slip it into place, and this time turn it clockwise until it seats into position. So you're going to want to just close the doors and then get a couple of glasses, and you want to run some water through that new filter. Now, because the filter is new, it's going to have some air in it, so what you're looking to do is to purge that air out of the filter and the water lines. So simply take the glass and put it into your dispenser, push in till it flows. You'll see water will be coming out. You'll see some spurts of air come with it, and you'll probably need to fill that one glass and then take your second glass and again run that through until all of the air is cleared out, and then you're good to go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the water filter on your LG refrigerator.